What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes, and welcome to Pipe Doctor Home Services of Central Florida. Your service and repair, plumbing, and HVAC experts. Give us a call at 407-375-1100. We are in Ocoee. We have a customer with a water heater. They just got the parts from the manufacturer. Let's get them up and running and get them some domestic hot water. That way they can wash their stank ass. Let's go. All right, so customer's complaint is the temperature and pressure relief valve is dripping, causing the water sensor to activate and close off the shutoff valve. But let's check out the water pressure. It says irrigation, and the water main is maybe somewhere over there. But let's check water pressure. Wonder if they got a backflow prevention device. Probably not. You never know.
Find out.
If not, we can check over there next. Damn. There's a lot of ants. I'm sure getting no ants on me. Alright, we're going to take a pressure reading at this hose bib. Right on the outside of the home. See what kind of pressure we're working with here.
Yeah.
Anytime you have discharge on a temperature and pressure relief valve on your water heater, you want to make sure that your pressure is not really the issue. And especially on a brand new water heater, you could have a pressure problem with a defective pressure reducing valve, too much pressure. Let's see what we got going on in here.
Nope. He's all right. He's almost at 70. That's
almost
not
at
bad.
70,
Yeah,
so
that's not bad.
too shabby. All right, get our garden hose. Oh, this must be a Lowe's special.
Yes, sir.
You can tell by that plastic valve right there.
I'd like to do it now.
Yep.
Because it should really be done when you change out the relief valve. That's the part of your problem. You probably
So,
have some sort of back.
We got that hose attached to that. Let me close the CPVC valve, which is closed.
Already killed the power.
Excellent.
Probably not. Of course not.
Nope. Oh, is there a Phillips? Is there a flat screw there?
But it's pretty shitty looking, dude.
It's very shitty. Yeah,
Yeah, look at that. Yeah.
It's a flat jammy.
We're gonna find out.
Yes, sir. I agree.
Oh my god. Yeah. Okay.
Here we go. Easy peasy.
Huh? All right. Hold on.
Hold on, let me take this out of there so we don't get the sensor wet again.
Right.
Pop it open. Oh.
That's what I like.
Yeah, you like that gurgling sound, don't you? Yep.
That's what I want. Oh, don't do it, baby.
Don't be dripping on my floor. Oh, you mother effer you. It's all good. A little bit of, just a little bit, just a little drippage.
Yeah.
Little drippage is all right. Matt, she's draining good, Matt. What I should do is put this hose in that water meter box and kill all those ants.
I hear you, sir.
I'll do that shit on the fly.
Yeah,
I'll do that shit on the fly with it full of water and the pressure on.
Matt, do you have Teflon and dope?
In my hand, yes, sir.
And the wrench to pop that off?
Yes, sir.
One step ahead of you, Tom.
I
Actually, not one step. That was two steps. That's the dope, the tape, and the wrench. 3 steps.
3 steps. Okay. That's
1 step forward and 3 steps back. Do 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 do. Now, oh, he's got the China, the China aluminum.
These have saved me. Like, those have saved my life, bro.
You mean chop suey?
Vendors, they have working for them. Do that kind of work for them.
Oh, you were loose, my.
Not all the way yet. Let me throw the dope, and then you're gonna go ahead and you'll pull it.
That is there.
That was really good too, huh?
You gotta lick it before you stick it.
But they send down the stores that are not ready to keep them ready with all the code requirements.
Okay, got rid of any pressure. Is that a deep shank? Sure is. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh.
They're getting paid by the heat.
What is that? It's like a little baby butterfly. It's not. Look at that. What is that thing right
Most of
there?
the guys are getting paid by the
moth.
heater.
Oh, you got
$20 per heater, and that's how they do it.
Oh, what are you?
Here we go.
You're slacking off?
No. Where's the moth at? Where do you see the moth? What are you talking about? Oh, yeah. That's one of those wild looking ones, too.
Yep, sure is. All right, water service is back on, flushing out any of the caulk at the bottom of the tank. She's looking pretty. Taking some sediment out of there, even though she's a brand new tank. Already getting some sediment out of there, but we good to go. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you are in the Central Florida, Orlando region, and you need a plumber for your hot water issue, take two. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you're in the Central Florida, Orlando area, you need a plumber for a water heater issue, give us a call, 407-375-1100. Love to help you out. Catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.